How to download and install Spotify. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Spotify app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Spotify and search for it. Select the first search result for Spotify, then tap on the install button. The Spotify app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can start using Spotify. Simply tap open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your existing account or sign up for a new one. After that, you will be all set to start using Spotify. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install Spotify on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.